Women have an important role to play in the evolution of STEM fields because they come with a unique perspective, and currently exploring how AI can be used to progress the field of medicine is such an important focus and area.
I think it's really important to encourage girls into STEM because it's a male-dominated area, and we really need to keep encouraging them to apply into STEM subjects and to continue through to graduation.
I have had students and teachers come up to me and say that they had no idea that STEM could intersect with the social sciences and humanities as cleanly as it can, also in areas where there is a need for jobs.
I always knew uni was something I wanted to pursue, but I've been really unsure of what classes and subjects I wanted to undertake, so coming here and learning more about STEM was really helpful for me.
The courses shaped my plans for the future when we went into medical, and it really opened my eyes to the fact that university can be fun and it's not all just work.
My students have responded really well to the program. Often they only see what's available in our town, so this has given them the opportunity to see that there's more out there. I think the impact of the program will be that more girls will study more STEM-related subjects now that they can see that there are a wide range of opportunities.